What's that then, Loki? That's loads of seagulls. You have to get used to them. Charlie waiting in the background to come past, but she won't come past Loki. She's lived with cats before. She knows how they can go. Come on, Charlie. That's a good, brave girl. And you. Hi. You can't go past me though. You can go under the chair and down the alley and that's it. You can't go anywhere else. Hey Charlie. Hello Bubba. Hello my baby. You being jealous, girl? What? What is it? You being jealous, girl? Look at this thing. Look. Being a jealous girl, aren't you? Being a jealous girl. Oh, Loki's going back in. Bye, Loki. Ow. Wait a minute, Charlie, and I'll stroke you. Yeah, let me just turn